Hi, we're going to talk today about SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This is a term that's so much popular, so widely used, that you've probably come across it many times. But few of us may know that this term is actually originating back from 1960s in a Stanford University study. And this study had a very important finding. They tried to understand what prevented the employees in the biggest companies in the United States to achieve certain targets, to get the best out of the performance. A very important finding that was discovered after the studies. It was all about really understanding why certain tasks need to be done. This why thing, identification of the purpose, appeared to be the most important criteria for achieving the goals. Well, next time when you have some project, think of the strengths that you have. Think of the weaknesses that you have and how to deal with those weaknesses. Think of the opportunities. Think of how to maximize those opportunities. Think of the threats. Think how you can minimize those threats. Plan strategically. Think of why. Think of the specific steps in terms of the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and then you will understand better what and how and why needs to be done. Well, next time that you have some troubles, next time that you have certain big challenges in front of you, always look at it from this perspective. Think of it as really an imperfection, an imbalance, a threat, something that makes us more creative. That's it. There's one story about an African village which has this tradition of gathering together one time in a year and doing this traditional boat building ceremony. They were gathered there and they are building a boat. They have usually one person, the oldest person in the village, sitting in the front, making sure that there is always fire lit in the center. The role of this person is not much. He's not building any boats. He's sitting there to remind the villagers about this tradition, to remind them why they are doing things. Think of why, think of your strengths, think of your weaknesses, think of your opportunities, think of your threats, and good luck.